Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your receiving country on Remitly's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your receiving country on Remitly's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Remitly application. The home page of Remitly application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on Manage option at the bottom right side of the page. On the next page, tap on Sending to option. Choose the country you'd like to change to for receiving your money and tap on it. This is how you can change receiving country on Remitly's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.